enjoy boating, baby. Y'all gonna get used to that 530 class in trouble. You see my boy cut that light, got that victory, man. He got that money. 20. Trucks out here on the West Coast, man. These truck shootouts, man. I done seen like 20 trucks out here, and man, they super fast.
I race anybody in the West Coast.
You don't want no smoke. Got my boy AB out here, man. First time with the car, we hoping work right. I mean, worked out some bugs, got shit, everything figured out. So it's gonna be his first pass with everything working correctly. So we'll see how it goes. But it should be making a lot of booth. He should do good.
Yes, sir.
Everybody was over there like, fuck you talking about? Oh,
We out here, baby. Let's go.
He went 006, you went 009. I've done them both of y'all too. I said, Benny go better than 25. He said, Bet, you went 09.
Coming out the box.
Coming out the box. Now he didn't look at back because he was, let him sitting there. You by yourself?
Nah.
We all came together.
Okay. Okay.
530 with others on?
Yep, hell yeah. I almost jumped in that 650 category, but four chicks, I can't cut a light. I'd have to take hella bumps just to cut a light.
Yeah.
I'd have to let it roll, you know what I'm saying, and then
Have
click
the
it.
top one flicker and go.
Nah, that ain't gonna, yeah, right. About to be deep stage, yeah. Or go deep and then back up.
Hey, my two homeboys. Both of them.
Is that who you took money from? Money, you know better. You know better.
That's my sponsor, man.
Yeah, that's where you got the 20 from?
Yeah, he know better.
Shit.
That's my sponsor.
After you just told us we was like this.
Look,